This is INFINIX Hot 20, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. So to begin with, I'd like to note one very important point. So in order for this method to work, you will need to know the password to the child's Google account. Otherwise, unfortunately, this method is not for you. So with this note out of the way, you gotta launch settings, then enter Google category. In here, let me show you that my parental controls are indeed active. They are. So next, tap on the Manage Your Google Account button. At the following page, open Data and Privacy section. Scroll the page all the way down and tap on the Delete Your Google Account button or option. Do not be afraid. We will right after the parental controls will be deactivated, we will also restore the account, so you will not lose it. In here, enter the password for child's Google account. Then scroll the following page all the way down, check those two boxes, and tap on the Delete Account button at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, you might face two types of messages, either this one that says something went wrong, or the message that explicitly confirms that you have successfully deleted your Google account. Both are fine. Both messages identify that you have did everything right. Let me show you that at this point the parental controls are no longer here, so no accounts added, and the parental control section, as you can see, it is also empty. So all that it's left to do is to recover the Google account, which we can very simply done by using it to sign into the Google Play. So in here, enter the email address. Then you should get this kind of message that tells you that this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. That identifies that we are on the right track. Next, enter the password. Usually you'll get something went wrong message. That is completely fine. At this point, the account was recovered, but let me finalize the login process, so I'll prove that to you. So just simply re-enter the credentials. Then proceed with this default sign-in procedures as usual. And here you can see that the account was successfully recovered. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.